Today we'll discuss if Rahu is sitting with different planets, what happens. Many of people ask that, ma'am, if Rahu is sitting with Sun or Rahu is sitting with Moon, is it negative? So see, any horoscope is not at all negative or positive. It has its own pros and cons. And today we are going to discuss about that. If Rahu is sitting with different planets, what it gives and don't. So let's start with Rahu and Sun combination. Rahu and Sun, many of the astrologers say it's an eclipse formation, Grahan Yoga. Now, it has its own benefits like political rise in career and leadership quality, egoistic and attitude kind of behavior which people gets in this combination. And also, if the ego destruction or destruction is given, it can also solve these problems. There could be a father-related issues like health issues or eyesight problem may have happened in the childhood, or the child's father may have been suffering from eyesight issue. This kind of problems may happen. The child may have over-ambitious, and due to that, any kind of tension situations may have also arisen. And also, this identity crisis may have happened. This is a negative point of Rahu and Sun combination, the identity crisis. Who am I? I want to do something, but I want my own identity. So this kind of problem may happen, and if you work in that particular area, the negative combination can also be converted into positive one. So it is in your hand what you are thinking about negative, it may have been positive as well. Now the next combination is Rahu and Chandrama, that is Moon and Rahu. Now the same way Moon is our psychic ability, mental distortion and anxiety problem, overthinking and emotional thing may have happened. This artistic qualities or spiritual speech qualities may have developed in you, but you are unable to express that. This could be one of the reason. And these people, I have seen that Moon Rahu combination, maximum cases there is an illusion. People have obsession and illusions because Rahu works on that particular area, illusion and obsession, and Moon is our emotional imbalancement. So people have over emotional sensibility problem and mother related problems or mother's karma. Due to that, may the child have transferred some of the karmic relation. Due to that, the person is getting this kind of combination in the chart, could have happened. Now, the next one is Rahu and Mars. So this is a very bold kind of behavior. These people in a positive way are risk takers, we can say, and also they love to take risk. They are very strategic, and yes, anger issues is a major problem. They have an anger issue in this combination, and they can go to tech industry, military services, very courageous kind of work, sergeant, and any bold work, CID and all, they can easily go with this Mars and Rahu combination. But they are very much impulsive. As you know, Mars is a very aggressive and fiery planet. Sitting with Rahu, they make lack of patience and impulsive behavior, reactive kind of behavior. They are prone to accidents as well. Mars Rahu combination, anger issues I have already told, and legal troubles also may have happened related to property, depending on the other planetary positions where this combination is going to happen. Now the next one is Mercury and Rahu. Very, very sharp, intelligent, and Mercury itself works on the speech. So they are very particular about the combination and communicative ability. They are genius in marketing. They have prosperous, marketing and financial career if they choose with this combination. Yes. But if it goes with negative combinations in the horoscope, they may have nervous related disorders as well, nervous issues or nerve related problems. And they can also lack of focus may happen if this combination goes negative with the other planets. So they can lose focus as well. And these are the main characteristics of this Mercury and Rahu, which I am telling. Now the next one is Jupiter and Rahu. So Jupiter and Rahu is a very, wisdom related combination. We say occult wisdom or astrological combination. We can be a very good astrologer, healer, because learning is always there with you. And also spiritual leader as well, and you can also expand your business. If you're a businessman, you can expand your business in the foreign land. So this kind of situation may have happened, and depending on the dasha. Now, what are the negative points of Jupiter and Rahu? So the first one is false guru. Now, if this combination goes wrong, you cannot excel. You will lose your morals in this particular field which you are going, and misuse of knowledge may also go. Now, the next one is Venus Rahu. Venus Rahu is a glamorous combination. To be an artist, to be a actor, actress in this glamorous world, you can be a model and all. So this is a very good combination in terms of beauty. And if this goes wrong, relationship and scandals may have happened. You may have more than one relationship, or you may have affair after marriage, before marriage. So any kind of relationship related combination could have happened if this combination is very, very strong or negative in your horoscope. Now, the next and last combination is Rahu and Saturn. Now, Rahu and Saturn is a strategic endurance. You will be very focused. Karmic clearance. This combination people get to clear your karmic energy, and you also may go with law and politics with this combination. And if this goes negative, then sufferings and depression may have happened. Isolation and harsh karmic lessons may happen in this world, which you should clear your karma. That is we all called as pending karma. So this combinations I have told you in a very short way. For in-depth study, definitely we need to see the horoscope as well. Individual horoscope analysis is very, very important. And if you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel, like, share. Thank you so much. Healing Astro, Heal Your Life.